Hello, so I thought I'd do a little video, get one out before tomorrow. Just looking at the levels that I'm looking at three instruments really, dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, and possibly Aussie yen. So we'll start off with dollar CAD. We'll go out, we'll clear all this off. If we look on the weekly time frame, we can see that we're coming up into an area that, you know, we haven't broke through it in a few attempts. So it's going to take a lot to get through that. So I'm waiting to see what happens, mostly on Tuesday. But if we just take this level, we have resistance, support, resistance. So the logical thing would be to look for a reversal. I wouldn't mind these highs going. So we'll see what happens, but I'll be keeping an eye on Monday's low, as usual, and just looking for a break below that. A strong H1 close would do it, and then look for some momentum to the downside, and a little bit of a break in market structure there would be quite nice. That's the main play that I'm looking at, is dollar CAD short. But looking at it, we've had quite strong closes from here. Strong close, a little bit of a retracement, and then a strong close. So could this be another retracement for another up move? I'm going to have to see what goes on. Yeah, so if it breaks above and starts holding Monday's high and goes higher, then fair play. But I'd rather play it to the downside, and we'll see what goes on. Could change my mind, but this is just the idea for now, and we'll see what goes on early Tuesday morning. Dollar Swiss is looking nice as well, and let's clear this off. So sort of similar with dollar CAD, we're coming up into an area where, you know, we're finding it hard to break through. Resistance, law of resistance here. We've come up, swept some highs already. You know, not the cleanest of pairs, like it's very, very whippy, but you can see it going through here. Resistance, break above, support, some resistance here, resistance. So we're looking for that move to the downside on this one as well. We'll have Monday's low marked out, and we'll have Monday's high. So if it breaks above Monday's high and starts holding that, it could be a very bullish sign. So those are the two things that I really want to see. If we start breaking down from here and start holding below Monday's low, that would be quite nice. We have this level on the H1. It's not, you know, it's not a lot, but it's something. You can see support and resistance in here, and it's come down, and that's sort of acting as support right now. So if we can break down that, that would be added confluence to this idea. Aussie yen, let me just show you why I'm looking at this. So the weekly, we have this support bounce, support turns to resistance. If we go down to the daily, you can see it a little bit clearer. Support, resistance, support. So this level, we're underneath it at the moment, so that would mean it favours a move to the downside, but I'm going to be on hand just in case it breaks to the upside, because Monday's high showed to act as support, along with this, added with this higher time frame level. Should get something like that. So it's just ideas at the moment, just levels that I'm playing. There are a few other instruments, but I'm not going to get too complicated at the moment. Just keep them three: dollar Swiss, dollar CAD, and Aussie yen. Yeah, I just want to get them levels out. So we'll see how Monday closes, and we'll see what goes on. Maybe in the early hours of Tuesday morning, I'll get another video out to see what's happening, where we stand, etc. So wishing you all the best of luck this week. Last week was very choppy as well. Hopefully we get some continuation in these pairs and finish the year strongly. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. below this video or in DMs or whatever, always about. So another video out tomorrow, and see you then.